Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today we'll be exploring the beautiful practice of loving kindness meditation, also known as Metta meditation. This ancient practice helps us cultivate compassion and goodwill, first for ourselves, then extending this loving energy to others in our lives, and finally to all beings everywhere. As we journey through this practice together, you may notice your heart opening and softening, creating space for more love and understanding in your life. Find a comfortable position where you can sit with your spine naturally upright, yet relaxed. You might choose to place one hand on your heart as we begin, connecting with this center of love and compassion within you. If you prefer, simply rest your hands comfortably in your lap or at your sides. Allow your eyes to close gently, like soft curtains drawing closed at the end of the day. Take a moment to settle into your body and this present moment. Notice your breath flowing naturally without any need to change or control it. Feel the gentle rhythm of your chest rising and falling, your belly softly expanding and contracting. This breath is a gift that sustains you moment by moment, connecting you to life itself. Breathe in slowly and deeply, imagining you're breathing in peace and openness. As you exhale, let go of any tension or preoccupations from your day. Take another conscious breath, breathing in calm and spaciousness, and breathing out any judgments or criticism you might be holding toward yourself or others. Allow your breathing to find its natural rhythm as we begin this journey of the heart. Loving kindness meditation is like tending a garden of compassion within yourself. We start by planting seeds of kindness in our own heart. Then we share these seeds with others, watching love grow and flourish. Bring your attention to yourself, sitting here in this moment. Place your full awareness on your own being with the same gentle care you might offer to a beloved friend or cherished child. Notice any tendency to be critical or harsh with yourself, and instead choose to meet yourself with kindness and acceptance. Begin by offering yourself these traditional phrases of loving kindness, repeating them silently in your mind, or simply opening your heart to receive their meaning. May I be happy and filled with joy. Feel these words settling into your heart like warm sunlight. May I be healthy and strong in body and mind. Imagine this wish for your own well-being spreading through every cell of your body. May I live with ease and feel at peace. Allow yourself to really receive this blessing for inner tranquility. May I be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. Offer yourself this wish for freedom from pain and struggle. Continue breathing gently as these loving intentions settle into your being. If you notice resistance or difficulty in offering kindness to yourself. This is completely natural. Simply acknowledge these feelings with compassion and continue to gently offer yourself these loving wishes. You deserve love and kindness just as much as anyone else in this world. Bring to mind someone you love easily and naturally. This might be a family member, close friend, pet, or anyone who brings a smile to your heart when you think of them. See their face in your mind's eye, or simply feel their presence in your heart. How naturally love arises when you focus on this being. Extend the same loving wishes to them that you offered to yourself. May you be happy and filled with joy. Send this wish from your heart to theirs, imagining your love reaching them wherever they are. May you be healthy and strong in body and mind. Feel the warmth of this loving intention flowing toward them. May you live with ease and feel at peace. Picture them receiving this blessing for tranquility and contentment. May you be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. Offer them this gift of loving protection and care. Take a moment to feel the joy that comes from wishing another being well and offering them your love. Now bring to mind someone neutral in your life, perhaps someone you see regularly but don't know well. This might be a store clerk, neighbor, or someone you pass on your daily walks. Choose someone toward whom you feel neither strong love nor dislike, just neutral indifference. Extend the same loving kindness to this person, recognizing that, like you, they want to be happy and free from suffering. May you be happy and filled with joy. Notice that this person, just like you, experiences hopes and fears, dreams and disappointments. May you be healthy and strong in body and mind. May you live with ease and feel at peace. Recognize their shared humanity with you, their desire for peace and contentment. May you be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. Feel your heart expanding to include this neutral person in your circle of care and compassion. Now comes the most challenging part of this practice. Bring to mind someone with whom you have difficulty, perhaps someone who has hurt you, or someone you find irritating or frustrating. Start with someone who brings up only mild difficulty, not your most challenging relationship. Recognize that this person, despite their actions, also experiences suffering and wants to be happy, just as you do. This doesn't excuse harmful behavior, but it allows us to see beyond actions to the shared human experience of wanting well-being. With as much sincerity as you can muster, offer them these same loving wishes. May you be happy and filled with joy. If you feel resistance, that's natural. Simply do your best to extend this wish. May you be healthy and strong in body and mind. Remember, offering loving kindness doesn't mean condoning harmful behavior. It means choosing not to carry hatred in your own heart. May you live with ease and feel at peace. May you be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. Notice if offering these wishes helps you feel lighter, less burdened by resentment or anger. This practice is ultimately a gift you give yourself, freeing your heart from the weight of ill will. Finally, expand your loving kindness to include all beings everywhere. Imagine your heart growing so large it can embrace every living creature on this earth. Start with all the people in your neighborhood, your city, your country. May all beings be happy and filled with joy. Feel your love extending to people of all races, religions, and backgrounds, recognizing that everyone shares the same basic desire for happiness. May all beings be healthy and strong. Include all creatures, great and small, from the tiniest insects to the largest whales. May all beings live with ease and feel at peace. Send your loving wishes to those who are suffering, those who are lonely, those who are afraid. May all beings be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. Imagine your love as a warm light radiating out into the world, touching every corner of the earth with compassion and care. Rest in this feeling of universal love and connection for a few moments. Notice how offering loving kindness has affected your own state of being. Perhaps you feel more open, peaceful, or connected. These feelings are the natural fruits of a compassionate heart. As we prepare to close this practice, place your hand on your heart once more and feel the love that resides there always. This capacity for loving kindness is your birthright, available to you whenever you choose to access it. You can return to these phrases and feelings anytime you want to cultivate more love and compassion in your life. Take a few deep breaths and begin to bring your attention back to your physical surroundings. Feel your body in your meditation space. Hear the sounds around you and sense the air on your skin. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently as you prepare to open your eyes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and look around with soft, loving awareness. Notice if the world appears a little kinder, a little more connected than before. You have just strengthened your capacity for love and compassion, both for yourself and for all beings. Carry this loving energy with you as you move through your day, sharing it generously with everyone you meet.